Today I'm going to take you behind the scenes of one of the world's largest chainsaw carving events, where over 100 carvers from all over the world gather in the small town of Rigway, Pennsylvania for a giant chainsaw carving party. Welcome to the Chainsaw Carvers Rendezvous 2024. So we are here at the Chainsaw Carvers Rendezvous in Rigway, Pennsylvania. So it is day 0. The first day is tomorrow, but you can hear everyone's already working. I'm getting set up, but before I get set up, got some Chinese. So I'm gonna eat, get finished setting up, and then I think I'm gonna start carving a bear. Good morning. Day 1. We're gonna carve a bear today. Look at that lineup. the morning of day 2. It's about 8:30ish, and a couple of carvers just started carving, as you can hear, but we just got cold brews and breakfast burritos from Sheets, and it is cold today. It's gonna be high of like, I don't know, mid-50s. It's a good blinky on, right? Gonna sell some stuff today, carve a bear. I'll show you my bear when I'm done eating. As promised, I am done eating, and before the saws get too loud, I'm gonna show you what I got done yesterday. I blocked out this 5-foot, what would be a black bear. His head's really big, so I'll make that much smaller. You can see he's taking shape. What's cool about this place is you can walk around and see everybody's black bears and kind of take inspiration and pull bits and pieces from each piece that like you're drawn to, which is really cool. Like Jake Swanson, he's here. I really like his bears. Actually, let's go over. I can show you them. More of a food vlog than a carving vlog. We got an Italian sausage, whatever those are. So it is Friday, and I'm hoping to make some sales today. It's going to be rainy tomorrow, so they're predicting it's going to be pretty busy today. But I'm all set up. There's been a lot of traffic going back and forth through here, so I set up the table facing this way. Beforehand, it was set up there, so hopefully I get more eyes on my work. But I carved this guy the other day, and I'm obsessed with him. Look at him. He's so cute. I got Jenna behind me. Where's Jenna? Jenna. But yeah, hopefully make some sales today. So today is day 3 and make good progress on the big black bear I have been working on.
Since the rendezvous is not a competition, carvers aren't forced to auction off their main pieces, and instead can either sell them privately or just take them home at the end of the week. During some time around late morning on day 3, A gentleman came over and said that if I finished the bear by the end of the day, that he would buy it. So now it's time to kick it into high gear and get this big bear done.
Thanks, guys. Mr. Cutie over here. Gotta leave me so soon. He just had to go run off and find a home before he finished him.
And just like that, my big bear was gone. I actually finished him up right before sunset, and he went to a wonderful home. Because I was in such a time crunch, I didn't exactly get any footage of the complete bear, but luckily, the customer who bought him has sent me some great pictures over the past year, so I'll show you those at the end of the video. Now it's day 4, the last day of the rendezvous, and since my main piece is done and gone, let's spend this last day exploring. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll be back in Ridgway, Pennsylvania this coming April, so plan your road trips to come visit me and this one-of-a-kind carving event. Now, as promised, here is the complete Mr. Bear Bear. Till the next video, guys. Bye!